Think about this for a moment. A single NATO missile defense system can cost millions of dollars. But Russia, well, they are now using drones that cost just $11,000 each, cheaper than most luxurious cars, and they are managing to expose weaknesses in NATO's defense across Eastern Europe. This is not just about money, it is about strategy. Here's what's happening right now. As the war in Ukraine drags on, Moscow is increasingly relying on swarms of low-cost drones. These are not any high-tech marvels that we are talking about. They are cheap, they are mass-produced, and they are expendable. But when launched in large numbers, they overwhelm even the most advanced Western air defense system. Now, for NATO countries sitting close to Russia's border like Poland, Romania, and Baltic states, this is a nightmare scenario. Why? Because shooting down one $11,000 drone might require a missile that costs about hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's like using a diamond sword to kill a mosquito. It's unsustainable and it exposes a high cost imbalance between Russian offense and NATO defense. And yes, there's another layer too. These drones, they are also gathering intelligence, mapping radar system, testing NATO response time, and probing weak spots along the alliance's eastern flank. Basically, in short, they are not just weapons, they are flying spies. Now, NATO has poured billions into strengthening Eastern Europe since Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022, right? Bases have been expanded, missile shields deployed, and with that, thousands of troops stationed. But these cheap drones, well, they are showing that even the strongest defenses can be stretched thin. It's not about strength anymore. It is about who can play smarter and cheaper game. So here's the big question. If Russia can destabilize NATO's defenses with drones that cost less than a family vacation, what does that mean for the future of warfare? And most importantly, is NATO all ready for this new low-cost battlefield, or is Mr. Putin already one step ahead?